grows where the olive trees sway. Gold light burns on the edge of the day. The mountains sigh a song they've known. Through stone and sky I stand alone. Whispering winds, they carry my name, calling me back, but I'm not the same. Eternal echoes, they rise, they roar, a voice like thunder, it shakes the shore. The river weeps as it carves the land. Time slips like grains from an open hand. Through arches high, the stories fly. A fleeting moment, a lasting cry. Shadows dance in the fiery glow. The shore. Eternal echoes, I can't ignore. They pull me in forevermore. Un soffio d'aria mi sfiora il viso, il cielo grigio si apre deciso, cammino solo tra rocce e vento, il mondo tace, ascolto il momento.